We are Shanghai Living Space Industrial Co., Limited, the subsidiary of Shanghai Kenda Industrial Co., Limited. The two factories have over 400 experienced employees and 56,500 square meters factory area, including 22,000 square meters warehouses. Our products including various plastic garden, fences and accessories, plastic kitchenwares, residential greenhouses, plastic folding doors, and window decoration products, Plantation PVC and wooden shutters, rollup blinds, shades, etc., which are mainly produced in Shanghai Living Space Industrial Co., Limited. POs, feel free to contact us if you have related requests on our products.